What should I do to install the eSIMs with QR code on iPhone? Once you receive the QR code in an email after purchasing your eSIMs, follow these instructions to install your WoWo SIM. Long press on the QR code, then click the Add eSIM option that pops up. Allow Activate New eSIM. Choose Primary for your default line, then tap Continue. Choose the primary you want to use with iMessage and FaceTime for your Apple ID, then tap Continue. Choose your new eSIM plan for cellular mobile data, then tap Continue. Go to Cellular Mobile Data, then select the recently downloaded eSIM on your device. Enable the Turn on this line toggle. Enable the Data Roaming toggle for your new eSIM plan. If you need more assistance, please contact our support team. They'll be happy to help.